How is your approach changing because of AI? What's that doing to your approach?
I think this is interesting, this one. What I think is interesting here with AI is that I think that we, as an industry, security industry, we're doing kind of like a bit of the same mistake as we did with cloud. We jump on with the opportunistic perspective, which is good. It's good. I'm a pro AI dude. I like AI. Been reading about it and kind of like I'm not an expert on it, but interested in it since 2015. Something. But what I think is interesting is that we look at it very opportunistic, jump onto it as we did with the cloud. We jumped onto it. Then after a while, a couple of years, we started to realize, what about the data transfer to a foreign company or a third-party company or to another country, or all these laws that pop up? There started to be like the security mindset of something that maybe we should think about what kind of data we place in the cloud for some reason. And now, tada, we're kind of doing the same mistake with AI as we did with the cloud, which is interesting for me that we didn't really learn, or did we learn from the cloud
Human
era?
nature doesn't change, Henrik.
Yeah,
It never changes. And remember, convenience always wins over security. Time to market wins over quality. It always.
yeah. It should be, because it's driven by business as well. It's driven to enable business or to win the competition. But I mean, it's fascinating that we as security leaders or security practitioners or a community, we have done the mistake once, not so long ago. But now we tend to do it again and again and again. Why didn't we learn from it? Why didn't we? Cloud governance became a big thing there when cloud became a thing. And now AI governance seemed to be a thing where security is a part of it. It's like a deja vu moment for me. Like, it was not so long ago when this happened, but then it said cloud on this box. Now it says AI on this box. So it's interesting that we maybe don't pick from the learnings when we go into the future, because I think that we know so much about the future that is in front of us. We know what is happening.